Hi, I'm Tracy McCain. I'm the Vice Principal at Arizona City Elementary School, and I'm here today to help you and your student log onto their device, get into their email, and also into Microsoft Teams. So here I have the device that was issued to my very own daughter who goes to this school. When you turn it on, this is the screen that you'll get, or something very similar. Maybe the picture is different. But when you get here, you're going to want to press enter, and you'll see that the login says Student General. Everyone's login says Student General, and the password is Tiger1 with a capital T. So if you're an ACES student, you got a paper like this, and the password was written right up here, Tiger1 with a capital T. So I'm going to put that in. And we'll log in. It'll take just a minute. This paper that I have here, again, we handed out to ACES students. It's the same information for Toltec Elementary School students as well. So now that we're logged in, we're going to want to get on the web, which you can do either down here at this little icon. Let me zoom in for you. Down here at this icon, or up here where it says Microsoft Edge, or whatever web browser you want to use. Okay, now that we're there, we want to go to office.com, www.office.com. And again, if you have a paper like this, for our school, we wrote that right here, office.com. Okay, now that we're here, we want to go to sign in. So here's the sign in right here. And you're going to put in your email address. So let's get our paper again. Your email address is right here where it says confidential ID. It's a group of letters or numbers at toltecsd.org. That's your student email address. So I'm going to put that in for my daughter. And hit next. Next, we need to do the password, and the password again is right underneath right here. And do we want to stay signed in? Yes, I think so. That way we don't have to sign in every single time. So now where we are, it says, "Good morning, Karis." That's my daughter. And when you log in with your student's information, it'll say good morning and then your student's name. So here we have the Microsoft 365 menu. And throughout the next weeks and months, you're going to be learning how to use a lot of these things. But we want to focus on one in general, and that is email, and then the other one being Teams. So first of all, we want to look at email. Email is in the Outlook app. So let's go ahead and click on email, click on Outlook to get to our email. And here we have it. Here's your email. My daughter, as you can see, has 3 emails. Then from here, you have a couple of choices. You can either go back up here to the menu. We want to go to Teams next, and Teams on this device is right here. If you don't see it in this menu, then you're going to want to go over here. Oops. You'll want to go over here to all apps and click there so you get the list of all of them. But we want to click on Teams. There's another way while that loads up, I can show you that we could have gotten there. So here's her email. When you're in email, you can go over here to these 9 dots right next to Outlook. You could click right there, and it takes you to a mini menu. And here we have Teams. But I've already got it loaded up over here. So now you have your Teams menu. Close that. Your screen, your child's screen will look a lot like this. These are your individual teams. So the student is in a reading team, a music team, and a PE team. Your student will also be in lots of different teams. These will be the different classes that they go throughout the day. So once you're here, then you're almost done. All we have to do now is know which class we need to go into. So if you're a junior high student, they'll have different classes for every subject. If you're a second through fifth grade student, it'll really be up to your teacher how they create their teams. But I'm going to go in here for this student and go into their reading team. And here you can see the only information here is that I added this student to this team because it's just a team that I made up to show you today. In here, it will show you different meetings that you will join, and all you'll have to do is click join, and you're there. You're in your team. Now say it's time for a recess, and you're gonna log out. What you'll do is you'll go back here and click on Teams again. We're not really logging out. We're just going back to Teams. Now it's time for music. Now I'm gonna go into my music team. Once you're in the team and you've clicked join, which isn't here right now, remember, join will be there when something's created. Once you're in the team and you've clicked join, it's up to the teacher from there. You've done it. So again, you know how to get onto your email, you know how to get onto Teams, and the rest of it, your teacher is going to show you as you go along. So, everybody take a deep breath. We got this. I know that this is a strange, peculiar way to start the school year, and we are all learning so much, but everything is going to be amazing. So make sure that you can get logged onto your device, into your email, and on Teams. And if you have any questions, please call your school. You can email your administrators or your teachers if you have any questions. We're here to help you. Let's have a great year.